Class teams, adding and removing teachers and students. There are two options for adding and removing teachers and students. The first one is to do this when you first create your team. When you create a class team, you are given the option to add in students and teachers as part of the process. You can type in the student's name and they should appear in the drop-down. Then click on Add. If you type in the name and the system does not find any matches, you will have to copy and paste in the student's full email address, and the system will then find the student and you can click on Add. Or you can type in the student's name with a full stop between their first and last name and select them from the list. There may be several students or people in the system with the same name. You can see that for this name, there is one person that is a school teacher and one person that is a student. Make sure you select the correct student. When you have added all your students, you can then go and add co-teachers. If you're in a primary class and you share your class with a co-teacher or a specialist teacher, it's a great idea to add them to your class team. This way, students only have to worry about one team and teachers can share this. Once you've finished adding people, you can click on Close. To see the members of your team, click on the three dots here and go to Manage Team. You may find that you haven't added all the students or all the teachers that you need to. In this case, simply click on the Add Member and you'll have the option to add students or teachers. Once the person has been added, you can click on Close and they will appear on your student list. If you've accidentally put the person in the wrong group, you can click on the arrow down there and change them to an owner. This will mean the student then has the full rights of a teacher. If you've accidentally put a student in the teacher area, you can downgrade them to a student by changing them to a member. From this menu here as well, you can get rid of students if they're no longer in your class. You cannot get rid of an owner in your class. You'll first need to change them to a member, and then once they're down as a member, you can then get rid of them from your class.